Using map to instantly put your students into groups according to the TEK that you're about to teach. That's today's topic on Tech Tip Tuesday. So once you're logged in to NWEA Map, you'll want to go to Map Growth. Then you go to your class profile. Once you're into your class profile, just make sure that you're in the correct subject that you want to look at. And then we're going to go to this tab that says Instructional Areas. Once I click that tab, I want to scroll down to this section that says Students Grouped by Instructional Area Scores. So you can see that the students here, they're already in groups according to their RIT scores, but that is not their overall RIT score. That is their RIT score for specific instructional areas. So this defaults to computations and algebraic relationships. So any TEK that I'm going to teach that fall under this particular instructional area, my students are already ability grouped for me. Now, let's say this isn't the TEK I'm going to be teaching next. I'm planning to do something in geometry and measurement. So I would just select that, and you'll notice that the students move into different groups, but they're already organized in a way, and it's just very simple for me to go in, look at the names, and I can pull small groups according to my students' abilities. Thank you for watching, and join us again next week for another Tech Tip Tuesday.